Good morning, my love. Welcome to a guided meditation by Sati Life. I am happy you made the choice to meditate and start your day with positive intention. Meditation means giving rest to the mind. It is not about doing something, it is a state of being. A state where your body relaxes, your mind becomes calm, and your inner silence begins to open. Now, sit in a comfortable posture. Keep your spine relaxed and natural. Gently clasp your hands. Close your eyes softly. Let your shoulders relax. Let your face become soft. Let your whole body feel peaceful. Now bring your attention to your natural breath. Do not control your breathing. Just observe. Observe the inhale. Observe the exhale. Breath is coming in naturally. Breath is going out naturally. Simply watch your natural breath. If thoughts come, do not worry. Let them come. Let them go. Do not fight with your thoughts. Do not follow your thoughts. Just gently come back to your natural breath. Again, observe the inhale. Again, observe the exhale. Be calm. Be silent. Just observe. As you continue observing your natural breath, slowly, thoughts begin to decrease. The body becomes relaxed. The mind becomes calm. You are not doing anything. You are simply being. In this thoughtless stage, peace begins to arise. Joy begins to arise. Blessings begin to arise. For the next few moments, just remain with your natural breath. Observe silently. Inhale, exhale. Peace within, silence within, calmness within. Now, slowly bring your awareness back to your body. Gently rub your hands together. Feel the warmth in your palms. Place your hands softly on your eyes. Relax for a moment. Slowly open your eyes by removing your hands. Carry this peace with you throughout the day. Thank you for meditating with Sati Life.